Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, audience, viewers, and honorable guardians, good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the online class from Madrasa online class, Dhamirahat Nauga and Shannagur Alim Madrasa. I am in front of you, Muhammad Abdul Samad, lecturer in English, Shannagur Alim Madrasa, Dhamirahat Nauga. My dear students and guardians, audience and viewers, hope you are all well, pretty or good. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to my today's class. My dear students, sit down and in front of your laptop, computer, mobile phone very fast with your exercise book, khata and pen. To take a class for the students of Alim first year. My dear students, I am going to take your new class of English grammar. Our today's topic, transformation of sentences. Today I will discuss only sentences. At first, we have to know about sentence. What is sentence? What is sentence? What is sentence? A group of words which make a complete sentence is called a sentence. Example: the earth moves around the sun. Others example: everybody wishes to be happy. My dear students, look at the examples. Okay, dear students, you can understand. Now, there are 5 types of sentences according to meaning. First one, assertive sentence. Number 2, interrogative sentence. Number 3, imperative sentence. Number 4, optative sentence. Last one, number 5, exclamatory sentence. Assertive sentence means descriptions, any descriptions, interrogative sentence, any questions and asked. Imperative sentence, advice, order, request, etc. Optative, wish, prayer, etc. Exclamatory means sorrow, joy, etc. My dear students, you will write attentively. Okay, my dear students, now I will discuss first on assertive sentence. What is assertive sentence? A sentence which simply states something is called an assertive sentence. Example: my dear students, follow me and follow the whiteboard and follow the examples. He is a student. Assertive sentence. Others example: he is my brother. He is my brother. That is assertive sentence. Okay, my dear students, here there are two types of assertive sentences. Number one, affirmative. Affirmative sentence. Number two, negative sentence. Negative sentence. My dear students, follow the whiteboard. I will discuss affirmative sentence. What is affirmative sentence? Affirmative sentences are the sentences that have a positive meaning. It is called assertive sentence. Example, affirmative sentence. It is called affirmative sentence. Example, I have a pen. Others example, he plays cricket. He plays cricket. My dear students, you can understand. Okay. Number two, negative sentence. What is negative sentence? Negative sentences are the opposite of affirmative sentence. It is called negative sentence. For example, I have no pen. Others example, he does not play cricket. He does not play cricket. My dear students, you can understand. Okay. Now, I will discuss number two, interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? My dear students, a sentence in which a question and is asked is called an interrogative sentence. For example, where are you going? Interrogative sentence. Others example, what can I do for you? What can I do for you? Okay, my dear students, you will write and attentively then I will discuss imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? The sentence that express order, advice, request, etc. is called an imperative sentence. Example, let us go home. Let us go home. Others example, never tell a lie. Never tell a lie. Okay, my dear students, you can understand. I hope that you can understand. Okay, my dear students, I will discuss about number 4, optative sentence. Optative sentence. What is optative sentence? The sentence that express a wish or a blessing is called an optative sentence. Example: may you shine in life. May you shine in life. Others example: may Allah bless you. May Allah bless you. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you will write. Now, I will discuss about number 5. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? The sentence that express some strong and sudden feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. Example: if I were a child again. If I were a child again. Others example: had I the wings of a bird. Had I the wings of a bird. It is called exclamatory sentences. Okay, my dear students, you can understand clearly and properly of transformation of sentences. I discussed only sentences. In my next class, transformation of sentence and affirmative to negative. Finally, you know that drug addiction is a very dangerous habits. That is why you have to away from drug addiction. My dear students, we went outside. We must wear mask every day. I am ending of my today's class. Stay home, stay healthy until then. See you again next class. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.